Cardano value equivalent to 6.2716 rands a coin. The present cost range, 6.1709. 6.4006. The earlier day close, 6.2802. The change was 0.0086. 0.14%. Converse rate, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 6.46 rands, high 6.91, low 6.01. Cardano gauge on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 6.95 rands, high 7.44, low 6.46. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, WAC 17, cost 6.66 rands, high 7.13, low 6.19. Cardano gauge on Monday, WAC 20, cost 6.91 rands, high 7.39, low 6.43. In multi-week Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost 6.81 rands, high 7.29, low 6.33. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost 6.52 rands, high 6.98, low 6.06. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 23, cost 6.51 rands, high 6.97, low 6.05. Cardano estimate on Friday, WAC 24, cost 6.41 rands, high 6.86, low 5.96. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, WAC 27, cost 6.36 rands, high 6.81, low 5.91. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost 6.22 rands, high 6.66, low 5.78. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost 6.13 rands, high 6.56, low 5.70. Cardano estimate on Thursday, WAC 30, cost 6.02 rands, high 6.44, low 5.60. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, WAC 31, cost 6.15 rands, high 6.58, low 5.72. Cardano estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 5.90 rands, high 6.31, low 5.49. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 5.93 rands, high 6.35, low 5.51. Cardano figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 6.07 rands, high 6.49, low 5.65. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 5.91 rands, high 6.32, low 5.50. Cardano figure on Friday, April 7, cost 5.70 rands, high 6.10, low 5.30. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 5.65 rands, high 6.05, low 5.25. In about a month Cardano figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost 5.63 rands, high 6.02, low 5.24. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 5.44 rands, high 5.82, low 5.06. Cardano figure on Thursday, April 13, cost 5.56 rands, high 5.95, low 5.17. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2023. Initially cost at 6.42 rands, exorbitant cost 7.44. While low cost 5.50, the found the middle value of cost 6.38. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.15, change for spring 4.2%. Cardano gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 6.15 rands, exorbitant cost 6.49, while low cost 5.06. The found the middle value of cost 5.93. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 6.03. Change for April 2.0%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 6.03 rands, exorbitant cost 6.14, while low cost 5.34. The found the middle value of cost 5.81. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.74. Change for May 4.8%. Cardano estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.74 rands, exorbitant cost 7.13, while low cost 5.74. The found the middle value of cost 6.32. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6.66, change for June 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost cost at 6.66 rands, exorbitant cost 6.66. While low cost 5.20, the found the middle value of cost 6.03. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 5.59, change for July 16.1%. Cardano estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 5.59 rands, exorbitant cost 5.59, while low cost 4.37. The found the middle value of cost 5.06. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.70. Change for August 15.9%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 4.70 rands, excessive cost 4.74, while low cost 4.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.50. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.43. Change for September 5.7%. Cardano conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 4.43 rands, excessive cost 4.90, while low cost 4.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.54. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.58. Change for October 3.4%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 4.58 rands, excessive cost 4.58, while low cost 3.79. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.26. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.08. Change for November 10.9%. Cardano conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 4.08 rands, excessive cost 5.01. While low cost 4.08. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.46. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.68. Change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 4.68 rands, exorbitant cost 4.68. While low cost 3.65. The found the middle value of cost 4.24. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.93. Change for January 16.0%. Cardano gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 3.93 rands, exorbitant cost 3.93, while low cost 3.07. The found the middle value of cost 3.56. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 3.30. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 3.30 rands, exorbitant cost 3.30, while low cost 2.58. The found the middle value of cost 2.99. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 2.77. Change for spring 16.1%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.